Good evening. Once again, it's me, Specialist Murphy, United States Army, appropriate California Army National Guard. Here now still remain M.I.A, Pittsburgh, California. The jurisdiction is relevant. Sheetmetal Associates. Chief Executive Officer, Shannon Murphy, Esquire Sr., also known by. Here today, I find it necessary as a soldier, United States Army, and now I de-escalate by chain of command, confirm valid my rank here be General, now General Murphy. This capacity, there be M.I.A, I, Specialist Murphy, and still to date, from 2003 to date, 2020, I have been abandoned appropriate service, Operation Right to Freedom, enduring freedom, respected. My duty, form orders issued to me, 2003, Operation Right to Freedom, 545 day, out of country, 144 Field Artillery, 1300 Los Angeles, California, 90025. Here today, as it becomes necessary, this video by YouTube, thank you very much YouTube, we are concerned still with the recoveries of Specialist Murphy in that the capacities for the recovery of that recovery, the factors that remain present due regards neglect by the government, includes the I.R.S. now, as I've already made contact with the I.R.S. and I've spoken with an agent. I don't have her name offhand, I will censor that anyhow, but I have spoken with a female agent from the I.R.S. and I have explained to her that for the past 17 years of our Lord, 2003 to now 2020, I, at capacity, also Specialist Murphy, has not paid taxes or has not filed a tax return. Therefore, there's a breach of jurisdictions for comply the abatements concerns that by the I.R.S. To conform justice standards the United States of America's government, I.R.S. included especially. There should have been some contact made to me by now. There's discrimination here, a point there also there. It conforms just valid that there is in fact malfunctions going on here within this country, United States of America, government, United States of America also. Here, I am here to promote that of my rights under the Constitution, that Constitution same that I rose my hand to swear it back in 2001, 914, 911, that day at Martinez, California, 150 Muir Road, when I was sworn in by there be a recruiter there. There be also jurisdictions for where I was sworn in to protect and defend the Constitution of the United States of America. At my re-enlistment, that $5,000 bonus, primarily jurisdictions there. Also, again, taxpayers' dollar portion was yours in place for that bonus. Now here, what we're going to do is we're going to conform justice here. This Hail Mary here, in the midst of this COVID-19, is just getting a little bit too close for comfort here, that I have to go out and put out something that would revert a try. That's not. We were talking about a second stimulus check. Well, here I got something here for you. This is the third stimulus. This is a stimulus there, response to the stimuli by my efforts to be recovered and recover the dignity and the respect, the honor of the United States Army and the United States government all in all. As I said in my videos here, Sheetmetal Associates, that do the digest blog, I have expressed to the public that informed them that Kamala Harris and Dianne Feinstein were in fact sued at U.S. District Court, Northern District of California. the past 2018. To date, I have not been confronted. I have not been compliant. My inquiries or requests for inquiries, they're congressional wise, to Kamala Harris or Dianne Feinstein or any of her agents. Have they contacted me to result an appropriate remedy for this situation? It's finding cowardice. Now here, or there is some type of tort, conform continuity of tort that has maintained their jurisdictions here for them to be absent my presence. I exist. I'm Specialist Murphy, United States Army. Here today, like I said, the third stimulus. You got a second one coming. You got this one. The stimulus here is for the rebate. I conform just as there's an obligation by the government to then refund or make rebate concerns your taxpayer dollars that went into that primary $5,000 bonus that went to me in 2001. And then there also for the 17 years that there was malfunction within my pay jurisdictions there and the disjunction of service from the 143rd, 144, and back to the 143rd Service Battalion at Richmond, California, 624 Carlson Boulevard. Now, Richmond, California. Now here, your 17 years, this is probably my $5,000 salary that goes into my pocket eventually before this is over, is due back to you now. I have conformed just due the line of duty that my company, Sheetmetal Associates, has informed justice to this. We have these documents here that we are servicing here to the public. There's a $24 donation. Thank you very much, public, United States of America. It will yield, or a request to yield a $5,000 claim. It's all in all here in perfect, intelligible, comprehensible writing. This program now, I'm going to comply just to invite you to and expose to you, consists of now 6 pages. There are 6 pages to this program now. It has been amended to perfection, I assure you. This disclaimer packet, program packet, contains classified information also from the medical records from the VA. I am going to relieve that to jurisdictions here at the public for concerns now they make valid and comprehensible subject of evidentiary for the I.R.S. to digest appropriate. Further, their investigations into the documents here, their purpose for valid, secure relief of the public, and ultimately the relief of Specialist Murphy, United States Army, and that of the spirit of United States Army that has been hindered, appropriate respect. Page 6 here is present. Here's a fact sheet. I just faxed this over to a company here, claims researchers, to try and attempt to get this out to the public a more professional way through experience. It is here. Well, we have 6 pages, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube audience, 6 pages that conform the contents of this program here now that we have, including the medical record here for Specialist Murphy attending the VA jurisdictions here. Specialist Murphy there is attending VA jurisdictions. Medications there are present, their diagnosis here, and reasons for the stay there at the VA DC jurisdiction is relevant. Washington DC, location Washington DC. We conform the disclaimer, 1 page in its entirety. 2 page, page 2 is for the applicant here. Who are you? Page 1, beautifully placed here, concerns here, disclaimer, appropriate claims, exemptions, venue, Reconsider any old taxes United States Internal Revenue Service jurisdiction is relevant. Now, what I'm here to say is also, when you get this application, and I'm going to recommend that you send it in certified mail to the IRS point jurisdiction. I'm going to try and get you guys a contact point address to send it securely to, that I'm going to coordinate with the IRS prior to putting these programs out. But you can go your own route. You might even have an associate or someone that works there. You might want to get it to them. They can recommend to you a more appropriate point of administration for this. And it can go any way it goes. But once you have IRS or any jurisdiction, IRS comply or relevant jurisdictions, facilities, IRS open to the public, and you address it, your packet, your program to the IRS, you get that green card saying certified mail that they have, and you get that green card back in the return mail receipt from the certified mail jurisdiction that you send your program out to the IRS from, and you get it and the date that's on there. Make sure you get a date on the card, and it's going to be a signature of an IRS agent that received this information. Once you get that, you wait 60 days and you don't get a response, you don't have to pay any taxes. I recommend Shannon Murphy, Esquire, Senior Special Murphy, United States Army. I guarantee you, you will be immune to any IRS manipulations, any IRS concerns, obligations. Your next year's taxes in 2020, you can put that on hold until they respond to you. So this program will benefit you, and in that it also asks for that $5,000 request claim form for that rebate for Specialist Murphy's malfunctions there by government jurisdictions relevant. You will also be immune or exempt from filing any taxes. Take it from me. I didn't file any for 17 years. This is what you're going to conform just to associate your evidentiary points also. And by that disclaimer, it is in place there that 17 years Specialist Murphy hasn't filed any taxes. So therefore, there's a discrimination point there. You don't have to do so either. Here I am, Specialist Murphy, United States Army. Thank you very much, YouTube audience, United States of America. And you have a good day. Appropriate. This video, there will be an instruction sheet that will recommend the appropriate administration of these documents to the IRS, and then relevant concerns your rebate ask $5,000 claim. Now, mind you, this while Sheetmetal Associates is appropriating $5,000, but that doesn't mean it stopped there. You can file your own case and get your attorney, your tax attorney. But bottom line is, this is a way for you to not have to pay anything, mine or nothing, to the IRS until they respond to that green card you got from certified mail. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Specialist Murphy, and we're out. General Murphy, United States Army, we're out.